In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create roadmaps in Jira. Roadmaps are a great way to visualize your work over time, see what's coming next, and keep your team aligned. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through creating a simple product roadmap using Jira's built-in options, starting right from the main interface. First, once you're in Jira, look toward the left-hand side of the screen where your navigation menu lives. Near the area where you normally see options like Create or Create Space, you will notice a small plus icon. This plus sign is what you'll use to start creating new items. Go ahead and click on that plus sign next to the option related to creating a space or similar content. This tells Jira that you want to spin up something new, and it will open a panel or window where you can choose what kind of content you want to create. After clicking the plus sign, Jira will present you with a list of templates and options. From here, you want to look specifically for Product Roadmap. This template is designed to help you map out features, initiatives, or projects over a timeline in a clear visual way. When you see Product Roadmap in the list, click on it. If there are several templates, take a second to confirm you're selecting the Roadmap one, as it will automatically set up the layout and structure that's best for planning work over time. Once you've selected the Product Roadmap template, Jira will usually show you a brief description or a preview of what this template looks like. This is just to confirm you've chosen the right thing. When you're ready to proceed, click on the Next button. This moves you into the setup flow, where Jira will ask you for a few basic details before your roadmap is created. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Jira may ask you to name your roadmap, choose a project or space where it will live, and possibly set some basic settings such as permissions or default dates. Take a moment to choose a clear descriptive name so your team can easily find and understand the roadmap later. As you go through each prompt, read the short explanations Jira provides. They're there to guide you through configuration without overwhelming you. Continue clicking through these prompts until Jira finishes the setup. Once done, your product roadmap will be created and ready for you to start adding epics, tasks, and timeframes.